Hello everybody and welcome back. This is the following of the previous lab. We have connected the router to the network. It will be the gateway for all the VLANs as there are to communicate each other. As there are one interface connected to the switch, we will create three sub-interfaces for each VLAN. We have already assigned the gateway for the concerned PC. The goal is to allow PC1, PC3 and PC5 to communicate each other. Now let's get in the router to create the sub-interface. Enable configure terminal interface gigabit 0/0. This is the interface connected to the switch, and now we'll create a sub interface named 1 for the VLAN 1. Okay, now we are in the sub interface mode. Now we have to enable the encapsulation.q1. You can use the interrogation mark to see what we have to do. Here we have to enter the VLAN ID. This is for VLAN 1. Okay, and we can provide it an IP address 192.168.1.255.255.255.0. okay, this is done for the VLAN 1, and we can do the same for VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Exit this sub-interface mode, and we can call back the interface gig 0/0 dot 2 for the VLAN 2. Enable the encapsulation.q1, and for this is for the VLAN number 2. VLAN 2 IP address 2.1.255.255.255. Oh, there is a mistake. I put more 5.255.0. okay, and let's go to create sub interface number 3 for the VLAN number 3. okay, as you can see, I'm calling back the previous command too. Okay, and the IP address just I have to change here to 3 and enter. Now we can use the show IP interface brief command to see what we have done. Here we have initial interface, which is 00, and the three interface that we have created. But as you can see here, the status is down, the protocol is also down, because this interface is down. If we enable the gigabit Ethernet 0/0, all his sub interface will become up. Okay, let's go to the interface gigabit 0/0, and you can see here it is down. Use the command no shut down to enable it. Okay, now we can call back the show IP interface brief to see all the interface are now up. As you can see here, the status is up. Now there is a configuration to do in the switch, because we have added the router. We have to create a switch port trunk. Okay, let's get in the switch and create the trunk interface. Configure terminal The interface of the switch connected to the router is gig 0/1. Interface gig 0/1, and define the switchport mod trunk, enter, and that's it. Now from the PC1, let's ping the PC number 3, which is in a different VLAN number 2. Here we go. Now we have the connectivity from PC1 to PC3. In the previous video, we wasn't able to send a ping between PC in different VLAN, but we have defined it and gateway and added a router, which is a router on a stick. The router is on this connected to the switch, and server as gateway for all the VLAN. That's why we call it a router on the stick. You can also try to ping from the PC3 to ping the PC. Now from the PC3, let's ping the PC5. We have reply from the router on the stick is used for inter-VLAN connectivity, because we have here 3 different VLANs, and with this router we allow all these VLAN to communicate each other. Okay, that's all for this video.